now basically at that transition between the mid and the low marsh. Still have pickleweed because it expands. If you look here, and we look all the way back over there, expands up to the edge of the high marsh. But if we come back down here, we can see we're in a place where we have pickleweed, but we also have Spartina. The Spartina here, as we go out to the lower marsh, you can see the channel here a little bit. That's the only one that's going to be the furthest down, right at the edge of the mud flats, because it can handle anoxic conditions, low oxygen conditions. So what do you think? Is our core going to look nice and brown? It's going to be wet, right? It's wetter out here. You can look at the surface of the mud and see it's really wet. But let's see what our core looks like. Okay. Goes in pretty easily because it's really nice and wet. And then when I pull it out, whew, look at that. Super hard to pull out because it's so wet and muddy. And only the little surface here is brown. All the rest of this is black. Whew, smells like sulfur, rotten eggs. And that's because we're now in the anoxic area. There's a little still oxygen here, but when we start to see the Spartina and it gets even more anoxic, everything's going to be outcompeted. The only one that's going to be able to survive out here in this steep gradient in oxygen and salinity is going to be our Spartina. So this nice, wet, little bit of oxygen, you can see it's not completely black. If I were to keep going deeper than this core can get us, it would be all black.